Okay, we're going to start by looking at some fundamentals of the program of Photoshop. And in order to do that, we're going to go ahead and open up a photograph that we have. So I have this on my disk drive here. And essentially, I'm going to look at a particular photograph from New World Printing. And I'm going to take a look at this one here. And whenever we're going through and selecting, Photoshop will automatically preview inside of the dialog box here just a quick little picture thumbnail of what actually your photograph is. So I'm going to select that one and click OK, and that opens it up into Photoshop. And what I'm looking at here initially is the name of the particular photograph. So I've got printingajob.jpg, and I've got at 50%. And what that tells me that I'm looking and viewing at this picture 50% of its actual size. So what I can do is use my zoom tool here, which I have selected down at the bottom, and I've got a plus sign on that. So if I left click on my mouse, every time that I click, it's basically zooming in that photograph. Now this is what they refer to as a raster photograph, which is comprised of pixels. So the closer I zoom into this photograph, I can actually see the pixels that are making up my particular image, like so. And if I press Alt, changes it to a minus sign, and I can actually zoom out of my photograph. So by using the zooming in and Alt key to zoom out, I can essentially go to different parts of this photograph. So again, if I wanted to move around the photograph itself, I can press H for the hand tool and essentially use that to zoom in and take a look at other areas of the photograph. So if I wanted to actually look at the plate here, I can move my hand cursor around and then zoom in a little bit and use my hand cursor to adjust that at the proper location. And that's basically how you use your zoom tool and the hand cursor to move around your photographs in Photoshop.